Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel Hobbies Diary, and I am Satyam. So if you are a fan of journaling, I am here today with a new video just for you guys. So if you want to know how we can use newspaper in 10 different ways, combining some other things as well, then please keep on watching this video till the end, and we'll be finding out 10 different ways in which we can use newspaper while journaling. If you're already a subscriber, then please keep on watching, and if you're new to my channel, then please consider subscribing. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also support me by subscribing to my channel and hitting the bell button. Just in case I put up a new video, you will get notified every time. It would be lovely if you share this video with your friends who love to journal, and I would like to know about their viewpoints and your viewpoints in the comment section below. And that's all that I have for you in this video today. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, you can check out my other videos as well that I'll be linking it right here or somewhere on the screen. So please consider watching them as well. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.